So my talk is on water and future climate change. We're currently causing irreversible damage to our planet by dumping CO2 and other greenhouse gases to the atmosphere and warming the planet in the process. As a consequence, we're changing the water cycle at an alarming rate. Changing the water cycle and warming will result in fundamental changes in the circulation of the atmosphere. In the coming decades, storm tracks will move forward. Typhoons and hurricanes will become more intense. In places where it rains now, it will rain even more, while places which are dry will become even drier. Desertification will become a very important problem in the middle of continents. The Asian monsoon will bring more rain to India and Bangladesh. Luckily for us, we have the oceans. If we didn't have the oceans, the planet would warm much, much faster than it presently does. This is because it takes a lot of energy to change the temperature of water by even a tiny bit. Additionally, million microscopic plants living in the oceans absorb CO2 from the atmosphere and store it in the ocean. Without the oceans, atmospheric CO2 levels would be much higher, and the current climate problem would be much more severe than it already is. So after all, it is good to have water around. Thank you, water. Thank you, oceans. To learn more about water and climate, check out my courses, Global Climate Change in the fall and Ocean Atmosphere Dynamics in the spring. Thank you.